and today we will be building a combine harvester. So this will be a bit farming video. Yeah, it's gonna be a combine harvester. So this is the wheel, and then you make a gap, and then you make a second wheel. And then I put is this even gonna work? I hope it will. And now actually we will need white concrete. We will place it here. Then one block up. Then there. Then this. You do a little ladder. Then you do this. Then this. Then this. Then this. Then I take a door and place it over here, and then I put white concrete all the way to here, and then I place stuff here, and I guess over here. Then we put glass right here till the top of the combine harvester. Oh, and then we leave a little gap, and then we put this on the top, and then we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the same in the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the bottom is also white. And then where will we do a gap? Oh, straight after the door, right? Then there, and there. And I guess we're leaving this in here, and we're putting this here. Then put orange stained glass and black concrete. Oh no, I did a little accident. Orange stained glass is there. Then I just place hay bales in there, and then it looks like it's full. And then we can try to connect it, and we can try to do a little pyramid at the back, and we're doing it something like this. Then we put these on the top, then this, and as I understand, I'm putting this over here, and these over here, and then I place a line of them here, and then a quartz stairs at the back. Here we take quartz stairs at the back, and another one, a line, and I guess we can even try to get at the back of it and do it like that. And oh, and we put this over here too. And now I'm taking lime concrete, 2 blocks, and I'm putting this over here. And then I'm extending it to the back as much as I want. And then I take a dark prismarine stairs. Then you put it like, oh no. Then you put it like this, upside down. That's it. Now we will do the front thing at the front. Oh, we forgot the wheels. Alright, so we put it here, and we put it here. Then we place black concrete over here, and then we connect these, and then we extend it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks long. We extend it with 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we take this all the way down. Then we take this, I think, alright, I think I'm doing right. And then we extend it like this. And we come until here. Then we will want to extend it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks long. Alright, 7 blocks long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the motorcycle and the sofa was my idea, because I thought that I will one day do another build hacks, so maybe we will build these later. Oh, a chicken sitting on the sofa. Alright. Here you can see the chicken. And then we take iron bars. Then you place it in all of this one. Place it everywhere till the back. There. And now I'm going over here and I'm taking this. 1, 2. Oh, no. 1, 2. 1, 2, and 1, 2. And I place these here. Then the flags for the Claas combine harvester. Then we put all the inventory back. And then we go to the loom, and if I remember everything correctly, I need to take a lime banner and a red dye. So I put them in the loom, and we need to get, I think it's this one. And there, I have the lime banners. Now, I'm placing them all the way. Wait, how many do I need to place of them? Oh, I break the line block. I'm fixing it right now. There, I fixed it. And I place 5 in total. There. And the final detail, as I remember, is a chip. Then you come in, and I think I placed a wooden chair over here. And then I placed a lever, and that's it. And you have a combine harvester, a Claas combine harvester. And then, if you're very fast, you can get in this to just watch how you're riding around. Hello, Mr. Chicken. And here you go. And now, as you can see, oh, the same in this side. Alright. This, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I think that's actually it. So thanks for watching. If you like this, like the video. If you wonder what's next, subscribe the channel. Bye. Thanks for watching.